I love this.
Ain't that deal? Yeah, toro ke toro ntse ka phethahala, tloa ke hola ntse ke rata ka nka tsebahala. Eish, ratola pina ntse le ntlatsa matlo, ke rata pina ka nka ngola ka diphatlalatsa. Ho le lefifu se le sedinyana, ho se naledi di dipono tse bodutunyana. Ho kwa fela ka lebitso la bohippinyana, bitswa morepa talente ao ke setsheisanyana. Anka ka fela matla, anka ba ka diamolala, anka ka kgwetjha ha dipeta ka boswaswinyana. Bola dibiti di download le bosesanyana, ya hlella toro di high school ke nna performang. Yeah, ana le bitso da leste ke mang, ana le nyofa le jaka Thata ke ntwetse jwang kang. Ke monna phelang kang, monna e mong a tummeng kang. Setjha manyofa le jaka Thata potso e tle ikaraba. Yeah, lona jwale ntse ke fatafata, ke tlaema jwang ntse ke rekgitha ke so thole zaka. Mahlo a retetse ke o qamaka o sheba tsweleng tsaka, e tswile toro ke ya ka nako talente mpatala. I never thought I'd be talking to you. You're everything I want to be, and you don't have a clue. I know you look up to me, but I look up to you. Took me a minute to realize that I'm jealous of you. I wish I had what you have, and I really mean it. I wish I had the light in your eyes just for a minute. I wish I had your dreams. I wish I could breathe life into existence and see that everything is not what it seems. For instance, I know you made your mother proud more than what I can say about me. I made her cry. The best thing I could do was to keep my distance. You're so respectful and I'm disrespectful. You're so confident and I'm insecure. You ridicule my life decisions like you have the real cure. I can see you're sure that you're secure. You have a plan, right? But don't look down on me. Wipe that frown off your face. I do what I do for us. In case you don't understand the plan, you get it when you're 19. When you're a man, plus our mother's dream is to see you on the medical team. What I mean is our mother's dream is not our dream. You and I are the same, and one day you pick up the pen, I promise. I said I promise.
I got a story, you know me cause dog you saw me in a group. So you surely don't know me, if only you just call me dope. Cause Maja Thata, I'm a homie who's been here mega hats before starting the era. It's when I had the audacity to pick the pen. When I got inspired, I was only 10. I had fans, teachers, friends who'd compliment, I'd comprehend how I was meant to be a star, but never got that far. Record labels don't take dreams, don't mind your bars. It's not talent if you just copy Stana, bruh. All this weight got heavy, so I had to be slim, and still it's shady, cause lately they just called me him. It was a dream, but now, will I ever be me? I blame the younger me, no wonder he left all his music scene. Now chala TD, I got really with Dwanele, she who you call mom, that they walk about to see how you dependent. Hebana by Dwanele, G. I go bootless son, you quit rap Hussan, you utlo hoot, and a lot has changed. And if you stayed, I'd agitate or I'd create what this generation today sort of appreciates. Vela boy, you should have stayed, but nonetheless, behind all the words I said, I love you dog, I'll clean all the mess you made.
Before ke batla khotso ntse ke rapela pholo, I'd lock my door tle tsika enga ke ithola. Tse ke bloma di corner le ka kopanya ya zolo. Itsaga ke nanthola on the edge I was leaning forward. But now I'm born, newspapers, radio. Momsy couldn't afford it, that's how I learned to let it go. The child of me is a corpse, I can't be 20 years and broke. I still carry the hope of taking mommy out this hole. Ayibona you promote and jago batla tshwana le nna. Ke khwali ka metswalle ntse baya seding tenne. Ntsoka rata batho fela bena go go thinke. It's crazy how everything seems to crumble the moment I think I got it right. Like confidence itself triggers the collapse. I feel humiliation before it even arrives. I wear the shame like a language my body learned too early. But somewhere between sinking and surviving, something shifts. I start planting in the rain instead of fighting it. For this is what growth feels like, this unsteady becoming. But why does it hurt so much to finally be honest with the reflection of who I really am?